Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I want to talk about what to pitch when. I made a horrible mistake when I first started out, pitching holiday gift guides in November, sending it out for that December. What I didn't realize is there's actually a calendar of when you need to pitch. You need to have that mindset and kind of plan ahead. So if you're pitching national magazines, you're looking at least 4 months out. So let's say, in February, you'll be pitching March, April, May, you'll be pitching the June or July editions. If you are a productpreneur and you have something for the gift guides, it's June. June to the end of June. Those things for December are closed. Isn't that crazy? If you're talking about a regional publication, it's about 2 months. And then anything local, like your local newspapers, as long as it's not a timely breaking news story, you're looking anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks for local, for radio, newspaper, television. So plan ahead. Again, if it's breaking news, pick up the phone and call. You want to be that guest expert. You want to be the one they need. You want to give the quote right then and there. But if you're talking more of an evergreen story, plan it out a little bit and think of your seasonality and when that's going to come into play and how you can tie that into it as well. So plan ahead, plan out your calendar for the year. There's always things you could pitch every single month, and then go backwards on your calendars to when you're actually going to pitch that. So I wish you the best of luck with that, with your calendars and your pitching and your planning. If you'd like more, please join the PR Challenge. It's completely free, yourprchallenge.com. Give me 10 minutes a day for 10 days and I will help you get more visible through publicity, we do some social media tips too, but just really makes you stand out there in the crowd, makes you credible, makes you usable in the media. So I hope you'll join yourprchallenge.com and I'll see you there.